Exynos, overheating, lagging in games? Yeah, we've all heard that story. But what if Samsung just flipped the script? Still think Exynos can't handle real gaming heat? This might completely change your mind. Samsung just dropped a super powerful teaser, and honestly, it's hard to ignore. Still don't trust Exynos? Then you need to watch this. A few weeks ago, Samsung officially revealed its latest flagship chip, the Exynos 2600, and this time they didn't talk about raw power first. They talked about cooling. And not just any cooling. Samsung introduced a brand new industry-first technology called HPB, or Heat Path Block. And yes, it's designed specifically to tackle the biggest Exynos complaint of all time, heat during gaming. Now, a newly surfaced video finally shows how this system works in real life. According to Samsung, HPB can reduce thermal resistance by up to 16% compared to the previous Exynos 2500. That's a massive jump, especially for long gaming sessions and heavy sustained performance. This isn't about quick benchmark flexing anymore. HPB is built to keep performance stable over time, something mobile gamers actually care about. But that's not all. The video also breaks down the internal design upgrades of the Exynos 2600. Samsung is using advanced interposer technology, which helps balance compact size with high performance. There's also RDL, or redistribution layer technology, allowing higher performance in a smaller footprint while making the chip thinner at the same time. In short, this chip isn't just faster, it's smarter. The Exynos 2600 is expected to power select Galaxy S26 variants, depending on the region. And if the rumors are true, Samsung is set to officially unveil the Galaxy S26 series next month. Let's be real, Exynos has struggled with its reputation in the past, overheating, throttling, and comparisons it couldn't win. But this time, Samsung looks more confident than ever. Will that confidence finally pay off? Only real-world testing will tell. And trust me, once the Galaxy S26 lineup lands, we're pushing it to the absolute limits. So now I want to hear from you. Has Exynos finally turned a corner? Or is this just another bold promise? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button if this breakdown helped, and subscribe for more deep dives into upcoming Samsung tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.